All right, guys, so it's Thursday night. Tristan's asleep, but today we're going to make a Google account. And the reason we're doing that is we're going to make a Google account and we're going to start a faceless YouTube channel. All right, so if this is something you guys are interested in coming along for the ride, hopefully you can watch and see all the mistakes that I make, and hopefully you can skip those mistakes. So you'll be able to scale your faceless YouTube channel a lot quicker than I did when I'm starting out. All right, so let's get ready and let's get right into it. All right, guys, so today we're gonna be signing up for a Google account, and we're gonna be making the new Google email, which in turn, we're gonna use that to make our new faceless YouTube channel. So this is gonna be the first step in creating a new channel. So let's get right into it. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the browser and let's go to good old Google, get new Google account. All right, so I just put in Google, get new Google account, and the first thing that pops up is create Google account, and I'm gonna do it for myself. All right, so first thing is we're gonna put our first name, last name, and in the email, this is gonna be, preferably you want this to kind of match the channel that you're gonna be creating. So a lot of times when you enter in your email, you're gonna find out that that email is taken. So you're gonna have to just keep trying until you get one that's available. We enter the first name, we enter the last name, and now we're gonna enter a name that we're gonna pick. Inspiration. All right, so that's available. I'm gonna come up with a password. I'm gonna hit next. Phone number optional. All right, so now we're gonna enter in our phone number, enter in the recovery password, now we're gonna enter in our date of birth, and now our gender. Then we hit next. Now it's going to ask to verify my phone number, and we can actually set this up without a phone number. I'll probably do another quick video for this purposes. I put in my phone number. We're going to hit send. Now it's going to ask for the verification code. I'm going to put yes, I am in. Read the privacy terms, hit agree, and there you have it, guys. We have our Google account, we have our Google Mail, and here's our inbox, empty. Hopefully this is where you're gonna see all your sales coming in from your faceless YouTube channel. All right, guys, so there you have it. We created another Google account and created a new email, which is what we're gonna use for our faceless YouTube channel. All right, so if you wanna follow along, and hopefully you can see and learn from all the mistakes that I make as I build out this channel. So like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.